Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today's class will be speaking about the two types of water, little and large, or small and large quantities, and their implications of whether or not it will carry impurity and filth. There are two types of water. One is called the large quantity, ma'ul kathir, and ma'ul qalil, small quantities. Why do we have to separate these two? Is that the first one, ma'ul kathir, a large quantity, it can carry impurity without making the water impure in itself. And the small quantity, it will become impure by any impurity falling into it. A quick example of large quantity is a swimming pool, a pond, river, a stream, a lake, for example. These types of waters can carry impurity. What does that mean? In other words, that if any impurity falls into the water, into a swimming pool, for example, or if it's a pond, some impurity falls into the pond, that water will remain pure and you can make wudu and ghusl from it. But if you can smell or you can see or you can taste that impurity, then it can be considered impure water. On the other hand, if there's a little water, like a bathtub or a hot tub or a bottle of water or a pitcher of water, a jug of water, a cup of water, and or a puddle of water on the ground that when you're walking, so on and so forth. If even a drop of urine, for example, or wine, any impure substance falls into that water, that entire water will be considered impure. And therefore, if, for example, if a child with najasa impurity on him or on that baby, for example, with a diaper that is full with urine, that child steps into the bathtub or steps into the hot tub, it will make the whole entire water in that tub impure, and you cannot use that water to make wudu and ghusl, and that entire water will be considered impure.